Hey everybody, here's Snowball, and I ordered something today that I really didn't think about, but then I seen on a few of the Tesla forums that people are having problems with their front camera, getting beat up, scratched, cracked, and so I thought, well, what can I do to fix it? So here's mine, and as you can tell, it's in good shape, but I was looking for a cover that would fit right over this and protect the camera. And I guess one of my concerns was that some of them I noticed are sealed all the way and they fog up when the moisture changes, the temperature changes. And I found one that was vented by Spigen, and I just finally got it in the mail. This is Bronco Mustang Lifestyle, and like you said, I'm excited about getting this front camera protector. It's from Spigen, it's vented, and I initially ordered it on June 14th, and it got canceled on June 27th, and it finally came in stock, and I ordered it. Finally bought it. So this is not a sponsored video. I purchased this myself. Let's open this up, see what it looks like, and check it out. I'm excited. Hopefully you are too. All righty. Let's open this up and let's see what is in here. I mean, it's not big because it's just a little camera. And there it is. Front camera protector. It's by Spigen. And I mean, it's just in a little box. So precise fitment, effortless installation. Hey, that fits me. Effortless works well for me. Let's check this out. All righty. And we got a lens cleaning wipe, 2 of them. There we go. And here it is. I mean, it's just little. It's itty bitty, guys. I mean, it fits. It's supposed to fit. You can see the vented area right down there. And there it is. See right there, you can see where the vented area is. And it's supposed to fit perfectly in there, not interfere with the camera washer or anything like that. Let's see what the instructions say. Instructions seem pretty straightforward. Clean the camera, make sure it's dry, and then get ready to fit it in there. You'll peel off the adhesive that's on there, and there's a little notch above the camera, and that's where that little notch right here on the camera goes in, and it just fits flush and with seals. I think that's pretty simple, guys. By Spigen. You can tell here, I got it for $19.99, and I mean, I got it next day, which was pretty nice. So it's got, what, 4 stars? The 1 stars were the people that I guess, I don't know. Mine's always in the garage unless I'm driving it, so I'm sure if someone's outside, it's probably going to fog up no matter how many vents you have on it because of the humidity and the temperature changes. But mine's garage kept, so that's one thing to maybe consider when you're looking for one of these. If you're an outdoor, your car's always going to be outdoors. I don't know how effective this would be. I guess someone can chime in the comments if they have one, if it still doesn't fog up. But mine's inside, and so it only comes out when I drive it. So I'm hoping this is going to be a good deal and protect my camera. All right, so when you look at it, there's my lens. You can see a couple little dings on it right now. So this is going to fit right over it, and I'm assuming that little piece goes right above there because that's where the cleaner is. And it just fits smooth in there. I'm gonna see if I can't get those few chips off real quick, and hopefully that's just dirt. All right, so I haven't peeled off the sticker yet, but this is gonna fit just like that. And I got the lens pretty clean. I think we're ready to give this a go. All right. I got that peeled off, and I'm kind of gonna go. It just fits right in there. Okay. All right. We'll see how this works when I go check. All right, it looks good, so let's go in the car and see what it looks like looking through the front camera. Front camera right there, guys. And it looks nice and clean. I mean, that looks great. So we'll just have to test it and see what it does when I get maybe weather changes or wet weather. But right now, it looks great looking through this camera. So I call this a win right now. Man, I like this. All right, let's test the washer. Look at that. It works as well. So everything works. It fits on there nice. It really was pretty much an easy install, and everything works as expected. I'm happy with this. Alrighty guys, well this is my third Spigen product I bought. I mean, I ended up getting the phone mount that fits in the vent, and that thing, it really works nice. I also got the under screen storage, and actually it's under screen and over screen storage. It has a little storage behind the screen as well. And that thing works great. No rattles yet. It looks good. It holds everything in. And now I have my third Spigen item has been the front camera protector. And I've been happy with all of them. Again, I'm not sponsored. I try to just get stuff that, one, I know I want, and then two, hopefully decent quality. And right now with Spigen, for the 3 items I bought, I've been impressed with them. So good quality products. If you have any questions, just put it in the comments. I will put a link to all the 3 Spigen items in the description as well. That way, if you're interested, you can go check them out. I'll let you know any update. If I have where it fogs up on me, I'll let you guys know. But other than that, I'm very happy. I hope this was an informative video for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. You guys have a blessed day. This is Bronco Mustang Lifestyle. I'm out.